Welcome back to Kin and Tonic, where family and cocktails mix.
To begin with, let me establish that I'm the more reasonable sister.
If anything, you are the more dramatic one.
Dramatic is a really, really bad word. I prefer to think of myself as emotionally produced.
Wow. This is what I have to deal with every day, all day. Emotionally produced.
Yeah, that's why we are starting this podcast, because
Keeping these conversations private made no sense anymore. We wanted to bore the rest of the world with us.
yes. So let's go. So here goes. I'm Priyanka,
And I'm Ganesha.
and together this is Kin and Tonic.
Yes, a podcast where two sisters talk about everything from sports to cinema to
Quite nonsensical
books
things.
to everything, yeah, nonsensical things also, but our varied interests.
Yes.
Yes.
So welcome. Join us in
Conversation with
conversation
each
with
other.
each other. Yeah, pretty
And
much.
Also, the funny thing is that we are sisters and we have the same parents, the same Wi-Fi connection, the same upbringing, and yet
Same Wi-Fi connection thanks to me.
yeah, whatever thanks to, but our personalities couldn't be any more different.
That
right?
is so true. And yeah, you guys will find out over the next few episodes how different really we are.
Yeah, and in a nutshell, what I was trying to say is one of us is calm, centered, and measured,
And the other one is Kinisha.
and opinionated.
Okay. Starting strong, are we?
Yeah, always.
All right.
So, what is this podcast all about? You might wonder, right?
Honestly, it's about everything.
Yeah, it's about pretty much everything that we talk about in real life, which includes movies, books, culture, opinions, and too many unnecessary arguments.
Yeah. And not filtered arguments. So no qualifications.
Just good vibes, or not even good vibes, just vibes and audacity.
Yep.
So, if you're listening to this podcast, what you can expect is really sibling nonsense.
Banter.
Yeah, talking about things that absolutely do not matter.
Love disguised as criticism.
Yes, and sometimes things that don't really matter, and sometimes things that deeply do.
Yes. That's this podcast in a nutshell.
Yeah, but I was just thinking that should we do a get to know each other round?
Yeah, let the audience know us
Yeah,
at least a little
absolutely. So, yeah, my most favorite question. What is your favorite thing about me?
bit. Starting easy. My most favorite thing about you is that you are effortlessly funny. It's irritating, but impressive in its own right.
I kind of tend to agree on that one, I think I am. I think my favorite thing about you is that you really care very deeply about songs, films, strangers, justice. Oh my god, yeah. People that you barely know.
Greenland citizens.
Yeah, you really care too much.
That's a compliment.
Yeah. That is a compliment. You care too deeply. That's probably my favorite thing about you.
And what's the thing that annoys you the most about me?
The thing that annoys me the most about you is that if somebody were to ask her a question, you'll not get an answer. She'll start doing a TED talk.
Some subjects need a TED talk. But
Yeah, some being the key word. Some subjects need a TED talk.
I think what annoys me about you, very, very easy. You will dismiss something in 8 seconds that it practically takes me 3 days to process.
Efficiency, baby.
Emotional vandalism, baby. If you like banter, especially sibling banter, pop culture chaos, variegated subject matters,
Your favorite F1.
favorite F1, and just general existential crisis questions.
Then stick around. You're amongst your people.
And if you don't like disagreement,
Well, then still stick around. You might just enjoy our nonsensical, funny arguments.
yeah, stay and build character.
So send us your hot takes, your recommendations. What would you like us to cover, talk about, and join in the conversation. Let's build a community of equally funny.
Nonsensical people.
Yes, exactly.
Kin and Tonic, where family and cocktails mix.